started it now, so what do I do now? Okay. Oh, camera sharp already. Thank you. Right, so this is a Microplus 501 Explorer. Bought it for, I believe, £550 with a 25 horsepower Mariner around 1980. Came with a trailer. It's basically it's meant to be like a 2 or 3 mile offshore fishing boat. But now she's going to live on the river Medway. So I thought I'd bring you along to show you what I've done so far. So, been stripping it back. Using a paint stripper, and it's just paint stripper I bought from Home Base. It's called, hold on, I'll show you, I will show you. Do the rubbish first anyway. I think it's Bartow line TX10. It's not as harsh as a lot of paint strippers. You can get it in your hands, it doesn't burn and whatnot, so, and it really makes it quite easy. What I've learnt though is you don't follow the instructions, to leave it for an hour then strip it. Might work on some, but it doesn't seem to really work. You end up pushing really hard and it doesn't work at all. So 2 seconds, I'm going to go and find the scraper. I thought I'd give you a quick demonstration of how easy this stuff comes on when you leave it overnight. There's 4 layers or 5 layers, so there's white, yellow, blue, and then there's a red, and then a primer. Now I'm not too worried about the primer can stay. And the original gel coat is red, so why it got painted red again I'm not sure. Maybe that was probably original, I think. Anyway, so and that's how easy it peels off. We've got to give it a bit of effort every now and then. It doesn't really seem to damage the gel at all. It might take us a minute amount, but it doesn't react. I wish I'd been leaving it overnight before. I had been following the instructions and I just wasted so much time doing that. I'll show you some photos of the boat before I started. The intention was never to really go this far with it, you know, just to paint it, get it on the river and we go cruising. I don't think she'll ever go back to sea. We're going to it's quite therapeutic actually. We're going to use it to go through all the locks and things, and also because she's on the trailer we can go to any river and any river anywhere really. So, but also we can use it to go out to the Thames estuary and that, which is not too far, and go explore. So you get the point anyway. I'll show you that the inside. Now this has actually only got 2 layers of paint, and that's the gel, and then the actual fiberglass in the interior, obviously that's just the skin. That's just going to get a light sandback, knock off the flaky bits and repainted. Nothing special with the interior, it's just where it's had nice gel coat that it's going to get painted again. The gel coat, there's too much damage to revive the gel coat, and it would take too long. So you can see Now obviously this can get hidden by a rubbing strake or a new one. The old rubbing strake's down there, I've been pulling that off. The pulpit was damaged, and just put a couple of holes through, and also you can see the cracking around there. Are you focusing? I hope so. So yeah, it's got these. I was going to save them, but I can't actually get them screws out. They're just screwed straight into the fiberglass. There's no wood between the deck and the hull, so, and they just bolted it through. But it's had so much done to it. So all these are coming off. So these are already on there. I can't unscrew them